ICP has been really outperforming the entire crypto market for the past week or so, and we're seeing literally any other cryptocurrency going down and down and down. Everybody thinks we're in a bear market, and meanwhile, ICP has been pulling 20 to 50% days in a row, and it's one of the best performing tokens in all of crypto right now. More and more people are talking about ICP today than there have been people talking about ICP over the past 4 years. And in crypto, we learned that when one ecosystem is really starting to take off, there are a lot of hidden treasures inside that ecosystem. And because not a lot of people are familiar with ICP, most people don't even know how to even buy tokens on the Internet Computer Protocol. And if this is you, you came to the right place, because in this video, you're gonna find out what is the best wallet to use on ICP, what DEX to go to swap for tokens, and I will show you one hidden gem inside the ICP ecosystem that I think has the potential to really outperform ICP. If you're new to the channel, my name is Alex, and I've been covering the Internet Computer Protocol for the past 4 years. Over those 4 years, I met with DFINITY, the team building the Internet Computer Protocol, over a dozen times all over the world at various events, and even went to their headquarters in Zurich to see what they're building and how they're building it. So if there is one person that can give you an inside look at ICP and DFINITY, well, that's probably me. So as I mentioned, we're gonna learn what wallet to use, the best wallet inside the ICP ecosystem, what exchange to go to, and what token to buy. We're gonna start with the wallet and then go from there. So the official wallet of ICP is called Oisy wallet. This is a wallet developed internally by DFINITY, the team building the Internet Computer Protocol. I would say it is the safest and easiest to use. It's also a multi-chain wallet, meaning that you can also hold tokens from Solana, Ethereum, Avalanche, and other blockchains. To create an Oisy wallet, simply go to oisy.com. And for the people who are new to ICP, we gotta click on Create Internet Identity. We're gonna use either the keypad from your laptop or the fingerprint sensor if your laptop has one of those, and it's gonna very quickly create us this internet identity. You're gonna get this number. This is gonna be your private internet identity number. This is not secret, but this is unique to you. So I saved it, and just like that, you now have an ICP wallet that you can use to buy and sell ICP ecosystem tokens. Take me to the wallet. So now that we have the wallet, we can go to KongSwap, which is one of the 2 main DEXs on the Internet Computer Protocol, and we have a bunch of login options here. Out of all of them, we're gonna choose Oisy wallet that we have just created. We're gonna approve this. Just like that, we are now in the wallet. But we need some ICP to be able to buy stuff. To get ICP to your wallet, you wanna go here on KongSwap, click on the wallet, find ICP, click on receive, and you're gonna use the account ID to send ICP from a centralized exchange to your wallet. I'm gonna copy this, and we're gonna be back as soon as I send some ICP to my wallet. And there we go, 5 ICP now straight from my Binance account, ready to deploy on KongSwap. And now the hardest thing is not how you actually buy tokens. The hardest thing in crypto is how do you find the hidden gems that have potential to go up, 30 to 50 to 100x. To me, because I've been inside the ICP ecosystem for the past 4 years, I basically know each and every token, what is good, what is bad. I know the teams, I know everything, and I will let you in on this one token here. This is one of the OG memes. The developer of Windows actually works for KongSwap, doing the UI and stuff like that. It has the highest 24 volume out of almost all the ICP tokens. So the only tokens that have more volume than Windows are Internet Computer, CKUSDC, CKBTC, and Neuron ICP, which is a liquid staked ICP. Usually money and price action follow volume. And I want to just have a look at the chart just to very quickly tell you the thesis behind it. This was one of the very first ICP tokens to ever reach $20 million, which at the time was an incredible amount. And even till this day, no other ICP token, or at least meme coin, has reached that amount. Windows was down 98%. So everybody who was not a believer was shaken out of the position and is now sitting at minus 90%. It went through one of the longest accumulation phases that I've ever seen a token be in, almost 1 year of accumulation, just below $1 million. And we're now seeing it break out of that accumulation range with strong volume, and in my opinion has all the ingredients required to be not one of the leading meme coins inside the ICP ecosystem, but the leading meme coin inside the ecosystem. Just to show you a few targets, I think that if this momentum continues for both ICP and Windows, it has the chance to be one of the first ever ICP tokens to break $100 million in market cap. And this is right now trading just below 2.5 million. From here to 100 mil, that would be a 40x. Now, if stuff goes really, really crazy, we can see crazier valuations, but it really depends on what the crypto market does and obviously how long this ICP cycle is going to be. We're going to go to the pro version of KongSwap. We're going to select EXE, here ICP. We don't want to use all of our money to buy EXE because we want to save a little bit for gas. So let's do 100% and just leave a little bit for gas. And we click on buy EXE. We're going to get a pop-up from Oisy wallet to confirm the transaction. We approve the request from Oisy. And I think that once you approve it once, you're not going to need to approve it other times when you use KongSwap. And there we go. Swapped 5 ICP for 150 EXE. And there you go. You now learned what wallet to use inside the ICP ecosystem, what decentralized exchange to actually go to buy your favorite tokens, and what is, in my opinion, one of the hidden gems of the Internet Computer Protocol that you can buy right now for possibly returns like 30, 50, or even 100x if things really start blowing up. Don't go and bet the farm on a meme coin. The price has pumped, a fair bit from the bottom of this price range that was for almost 1 year. Don't bet the entire house, don't bet your entire life savings into a meme coin, especially without doing your own research. I think that we're gonna have a few super exciting months inside the ICP ecosystem, especially if the broader crypto market also bounces a little bit and we're gonna see some moves to the upside from, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana and the other big tokens. So thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions or any thoughts. And with that, we're done with this quick tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.